In front of me is the Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you want to open up settings from here. Let's scroll down to additional settings. From here at the bottom you should find backup and reset, and then erase all data, factory reset. Now in here simply select erase all data, erase data, erase data, and this will begin the process. Now this will take probably a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.